Kami House with Master Roshi and the Peachy Peachy Girls. So we start at the back. We have here the biggest girl, Gym Girl. The next one is Mai, and beside Mai is the first girlfriend of Krillin, Maron, and Lunch, the bad one, and the Lunch, the good one, and female Goku, and Chi-Chi, and Vegeta, girl version of Vegeta, and Bulma, and girl version of Vegito. And here we have the girl without panty, the mermaid. And here we have Mrs. Brief. And here Videl. And at the back is Android 18. And of course, last but not the least, is Master Roshi. So that's it. Kami House with Master Roshi and the Peachy Peachy Girls.